between the advances and the declines. But at the fag end of the earnings, and let me now welcome on board Mahesh Babu Subramaniam, the MD at Olectra Greentech, to talk about how their performance has been. Mahesh, hi, morning. Welcome to ET Now. We're just looking at your Q1 deliveries, around 143 buses, 2,500 target now needs to be met. Tell me, what exactly is it that you're aiming for in the future quarters ahead?
Yeah, so this quarter started off well. We had about 358 vehicles built this quarter, which is 66% higher than the quarter one last year. So our growth have been consistent. We have been last 4 quarters delivering 350 plus vehicles as we committed, and we continue to grow in the segment. Our EBITDAs have grown. We are also bringing in new platform and investments. Our energy division in the first quarter had some headwinds because of forex and raw material impact due to the geopolitics. However, I would say the team has handled it well, and we are poised for the good Q2 and Q3 going forward.
I also want to talk about BEST too, because the first tranche has been stuck for multiple quarters now. What is the trigger and the hard deadline that you actually have for resolution at the company?
See, if you look at it overall, we have about 8,000 plus orders in pipeline yet to be delivered, which we are planning to deliver in next 2 years. BEST, order 2 deliveries will start, and we will continue to deliver whatever we have committed. We have multiple orders. We have recently won the CSL order as well. We are working with all stakeholders, STUs, to make sure that their expectations are met. And as you know, that we have delivered the first Indian company to deliver 4,000 vehicles to our customers in electric buses. That recently we have done in our vehicle, which we have delivered to HRTC. Similarly, we will work with all customers, including BEST, to meet their demands and requirements.
Understood. I also want to talk about the Telangana High Court PIL on this 150-acre land. Tell me, what is your own legal assessment, and does it then delay phase 2 of your capacity commissioning?
I think this is a PIL litigation to the TSIC, Telangana Industrial One. It's nothing to do with Olectra, because we have already had land allotted to us, and we have invested more than 3,000, 4,000 people are working there. We have brought in prosperity to it. I think it is nothing much to impact on Olectra. We are just informed, or we have been informed about it by Telangana government. Beyond that, I don't think any impact on business.
Understood. What about TGSRCT's 1,085 bus order for the new platform? Because wanted to understand if depot and power readiness have been confirmed, or could that be the next execution bottleneck, perhaps?
No, that will be the next growth engine for us, I would say. The contracts is being signed as part of CSL. Now, as I told, it's a new generation platform buses which we are developing, which will be ready in Q3 and Q4 of this financial year. And that will be the buses delivered to Telangana, and the new CSL or any PM E-Seva E-Drive tenders, which we will be participating and winning tenders going forward. We are very proud that we have made our first proto, and it's under testing, and we will be delivering as planned in Q3 and Q4.
Right. And your truck launch in Q4 FY27, is the timeline intact? And what order pipeline exists at the launch right now?
Yeah, we are excited about the truck, because truck is the very next EV adapting segment, I would say. We can see the growth as such between last year to this year on electric trucks. There is a huge requirement in the market after the oil price increase and the challenges on geopolitics in terms of energy transportation. So we see that as a big growth for FY28. So our truck will be ready by Q4. We have about 3 to 6 models planned between all the trucks, and the program is right on track. We are expecting the proto to be built the next quarter, and it goes through various testing before we launch in Q4.
Right. And what about the energy division? Because that's posted a solid 50% growth. Is this entirely organic or dependent on some sort of capex which is yet to be commissioned?
See, the energy division, actually Q1 had a minor impact. If you look at our profitability, it has a minor impact due to energy division because we had a high raw material prices due to the war, and that impacted our margins. But now that the raw material prices have mellowed down, we expect that Q2 to be done. We have made a very clear path in energy division going forward. We are getting into new segments in the end of the year. There is a clear road path of doing a 5x growth in next 3 years for energy division.
Right. And what about West Asia disruption as well? Has it eased in any way? Because that hit Q1 hard. Have alternative suppliers of forward hedges been secured to try and protect your Q2 and Q3?
Yes, we had some challenges on Q1 in terms of transportation as well as raw material cost impact, but that has slightly mellowed down. While it has not gone to pre-war era, but we have done a lot of efforts in terms of securing the supply chain, as well as working on cost reductions and new innovations to make sure that impact is there. We are pretty hopeful that from Q2 onwards, we'll be able to bring down the impact on material cost as well as forex.
Mahesh, also wanted to understand, you've got 4,000 buses deployed. When does maintenance revenue become a meaningful P&L contributor for you at Olectra?
See, I think spares is a business which every OEM would like to have revenue at the same time, don't want to have revenue because we want our products to perform without any failure over a long period of time. But I don't think it will be a big revenue by itself. Our intention is electric trucks or electric buses are typically more reliable. It has had initial teething troubles, but now the technology has stabilized substantially well. It is more reliable than conventional engines. So we have about some revenue in it, but we don't really want to depend on spares and service revenues. We depend more on new sales, while the other one comes automatically.
Interesting. Mahesh, great to speak with you. Thank you so much for your time today. Good to get in all the color on the earnings and, of course, visibility going forward as well.
Thank you.